Hey, so this is me bigger flight. That's a pair of Kakarikis. That's a spare hen. The cockbird services them both pretty well. She's got young'uns and they're in this nest box here. Which you can see there's 6 young'uns in there coming along canny. Like I say, got the budgies. There's 5 pair of budgies. And like I say, down here there's a turkazine cockbird. I'm after a hen frame. So, but like I say, this is the biggest flight. It's 9 by 4 with a elbit on of 6 by 3. So then budgie nest boxes will be getting up soon. There's some zebras in here as well. I think there's 1 cock and 2 hens. But they're the big flight. Egg food. They have cockatiel seed with a little bit mixture of other stuff. So, right, there we go.